What is going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate. Welcome to Epic Whipz, mate. And today, we got a package. Mate. Wow, they put that shit right at the top. That's crazy. Like, what? Yo. What? That's pretty clean. That's how high it was. I'm feeling that already. Damn, cuz. I'm just gonna be installing this on my shifter. So when I'm shifting, I'm gonna adjust it with, the boom. And the bottom one as well. So when I'm shifting, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and in reverse. So it's gonna prevent me from overshifting and help my synchros. Synchros out. It's gonna help my synchros out basically in my transmission. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking this off and this. So alright, so I took off the center and it was horrific. Like, I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to. Anyway, hey, it's the first time taking it off, and I don't know what owner I am with this car, but the previous owner, I already know the condition was in. Anyways, I cleaned it out. I had to clean it out. I was not showing you guys this. Y'all would probably barf. Anyway, so cleaned it out, and I'm gonna show you pretty much the screws that you need to take off in order to take off the stereo. So check it out. So pretty much got everything taken out. It's pretty simple. Unplugged all these because I have the navigation. If you don't have the navigation, you don't have to worry about it. This over here, I only unplugged like these two things. And then unplugged like that last one. It's not necessary, just leave it off to the side. Took off those 4 nuts there, whatever they were, and just took that off, and now got the shifter right here. All right, so these screws right here, boom. Another one over there, boom. We'll have to take those off, and underneath the steering wheel, this thing just comes right down. Just pull that down. Yeah, there it is. And this bracket, take this off with these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and then you should see another nut at the side that we have to take off in order to take off the stereo. So let me do that. I'll come back and I'll show you. So let me show you where it's supposed to be. Right there. That's where it's supposed to be. But it's not there, mate. It's not there. So seems like we can just pull the damn thing out, right? Screw here. And you just pretty much gotta take this assembly off. You'll see it's pretty self-explanatory. Undo everything at the back of the stereo. Be careful as you can. Pretty much take out that main one. There's this one at the top. You gotta take out another one. And this, I believe, is the antenna. The way that shit was in there, it was freaking ridiculous. So I just ended up cutting it because the last owner, he had it all the way down there, and it was a headache. It's best if I just cut it off because I don't think I'll be using the antenna. Okay, so what the instruction says is these things up here on each side, cut them off. It's like to cut them off, just get rid of them. Just take out all that. Take this thing off. Who cares about this? Not really gonna use it. It's literally there. Pop it out, whatever. Take out all the screws. Get done. Take that off. It's a clip. Take it out from right here. Very simple. Very simple, self-explanatory. First, got it in there. Boom, boom. That's all I need. Got this done up there. Boom, boom. I mean, if I have to do something else, but whatever. I'll put that in there, but check that out, man. Looks pretty decent, looks pretty decent. So I'm just gonna leave that there for now. We're up to the part where you have to put the back brackets in. So these brackets that came with it, they're saying secure the brackets, radio, using the screws provided with the radio. The radio that I got, Kenwood, but it was an open box special at Best Buy, and it didn't come with the screws. So I don't got the screws to mount the bracket. So yeah, we gotta go to Ace. We gotta get those screws. It happens. Also the back part, this part, I think I kind of try to fab it because I don't know what screw can get into that little crevice that they had there, and I don't have a screw for that either. So good thing I checked that out. So I'm gonna get all those screws from Ace Hardware. Okay, continuing on the install of this infotainment. Now here we are. I'm gonna tell you what I did. It's pretty crazy, but that module, I have it back there, like literally. It's literally, this is it right here. So what I did was pretty much for all the wires in the back, it was like 2 wires actually that you just fit on the side, literally go on the side of it, and guide it over here more or less. So like a guide area. Kind of see how I put it in there. It's pretty tough, you need 2 hands, but I got it in there. Wow. Now we're gonna see if it actually fits. I don't even know if it fits, so we're just gonna we're gonna find out now. So I was connecting everything up and noticed some wires at the back that kind of like put together came loose, so I had to take everything out. Took everything out, connect those wires again tight, change the bracket where the bracket was located on the actual stereo, because the stereo was sitting too low, wasn't sitting flush into the Metra whatever face. So what I ended up doing is actually moving that whole that black box literally right down in there. So let me see. So I don't know if you ever see it, but yeah, you can see it a little bit. So anyway, I just tucked it in there. The wires are there on the side and stuff. So the box is like right below it. So it's real convenient right there. I think that's a better spot. So what I'm gonna just do is plug everything back. I took the interface off that whole face, plug everything off of there because it's so difficult to put it on. So now I'm gonna actually put it on, put everything back together, and see what happens. I actually took this off too, just to, I don't know what I was doing. All right, so that's the finished product. I am very happy with it. Very happy with it. The gloss really goes with the car. I don't know how that matte black one would look, but the previous sound system that had that gloss there, it just matches it very well. No complaints. The only thing is really my stereo infotainment, but it sticks out a tad bit right here, and then it goes in there. So it could be my brackets, the way they place, but it doesn't move whatsoever. So I'm very, very happy with it. I do some aggressive driving and it doesn't move. So definitely, if you wanna liven up your RX8's interior, definitely that's the way to go, for sure, 100%. So job done, mate. We did what we had to do and now it's done. Boom.